Yo, get up, no man.
Yo. Some of them man where you go and suffer.
What do you mean by what me I go and suffer? You're supposed to cook my food.
Me tell you not sleep when you come and load up on
my What did I do? What did I do for your sleep? What you do for tired?
What you mean? No, sir.
What you do for tired?
Wait, they want 20 years sleep. Eh?
Yo, you're not doing nothing for tired,
you are asleep.
You're not doing nothing for tired. You just little in there asleep. Just take up space.
You
and I suck up the whole of ear.
You know sometimes me a cook though, me no mumble. But why when time you a cook you have to mumble? Tell me why. Look here, could I have a chicken and do you? Because right now me hungry, you know. Oh, that me I try to eat.
Before you name this one, hey, I rather make it turn class at you. Yeah, look here, man.
Hey.
Don't come tell me about rap and cook nothing about you think you left me here?
You notice I'm not argue with you. You notice that, right?
So now good girl, no good girl. When that man take you up, when you used to wash, cook and clean. Now a base sleep, when you in a bed asleep.
So what? If me tired, I'm not supposed to sleep. Me can't just walk, so me a walk kid machine.
Alright, man. Think, Chris.
But oh look, why in the fridge? Because what is a meat if you don't cook in a car? I know how to kill meat.
So what you talking about?
So I sit now with the day in the fridge. Watch it. One little such is in the fridge.
None of that. I don't find nothing in them and everything, Chris.
You know what, fry? When I do the fry some flour for me, some sugar dumpling, mix it in the plate because I don't really want to try this one. Yeah. Is what?
If you know me know,
no.
why not in my kitchen?
Me tell you this now. Men who have paint a knife in my face.
If you know me know,
men who have paint a knife in your ear. If you know who you are dealing with for now. You feel your ex this? Eh? Bright. I don't want to come and angle. Don't do that.
Chris.
Don't do it.
Everything, Chris. Probably you never get the
Everything
memo.
must, Chris. Have to.
You never get the memo. I understand. You never get the memo.
It's either you go fry that for me or you go deal with the sachets.
Fry what? You know you want to want them. You get up and go look sitting do man.
Look here,
you just sit down and lay down in the bed and get fat. Eh? And if someone did meet you, you know. You think someone did meet you?
So wait there. You want to do mango down like a chihuahua? That's a one? That's a one, see?
You just lay down up in the bed and get fat.
You know why you want to get thick up?
Thick up and a thick up that you see a blouse and skirt weak cartwheel you put around them waist there. Man can't even lift you up again. Yo.
You see you're weak jellyback. Look how me see me you can't lift me up. You're weak jellyback.
Think Chris man.
I see a man like you.
Think everything no
man
Chris.
Like you?
Everything Chris here.
Let us everything after Chris. Stop for a long time that. And do what you have to do. I can lie down back. I go back and lie down. Mats up that. When I done, I come for something to eat.
You see all you? Cause you know say you got that, you know.
Look here.
Cause you know say you're good, man. Everything Chris here.
Look here. We are a couple. I don't understand why every day we get up and curse. Like we are pussy and dog. I don't like it. I tell you that it now.
Then you do something. Then do something about it now. You're not doing anything.
We are customers on simple things, rubbish.
What do you mean by? Sometimes if you take it out, no, if I'm arguing about it, then take it out.
Look here, I'm not arguing with her right now. I'm going to go back in the room.
I never signed up for this, you know. No, what kind of... You make me feel less of a man, you know. Eh? I never feel like a man anymore. Because I'm just me do all of the housework. And claim say you love me. This is bullshit. But carry the bucket go well. One day the bucket, the bottom must fall out here. And every day I go stay like this. Fed up of your crosses style and your attitude. It never work.
Yeah. You know, somebody don't talk to you. That's why I sit down out here so I think about when I go say to you and how I go say it. Because I don't want you to take it no other way from how me dream see. You understand?
Your dreams is something?
Yeah, me I dream some things, but...
Well, I'm still not listening to this because it's not sound serious. What kind of things you dream see?
Me I get some serious dream. But you see, me trust you, babe. Me not say dream no can straight, you know. Some dream straight, and some are just foolishness. Maybe some people say, actually you eat late or whatever, but me never eat none late. And me a dream see a one woman, me dream see you find a white woman on the beach.
Me not depend upon that.
And the work where you do, on the beach you go do your little juggling and something, you hustle on the beach, you get your money and so. Me just want to make sure you say, you're not cheat for me. I don't say I do it, you know. I know say you're a good man, and the way I love you, I know say you wouldn't cheat for me. So, I tell her straight up. I don't like the dream.
Nobody have that dream.
No, I don't like the dream, but I don't say I saw it go. I don't follow a dream. I don't follow a dream. I just make you know say my dream say you have a white woman on the beach.
No, no white woman. Around somebody. Not me.
Are you me seeing a
yeah,
dream?
But sometimes dream show you some people from ancient days and then something that, not me. I can't me. I'm going to depend on something there. You know me already, all I do is sell me little things in my bag and come home and take care of you. You understand?
You be sure say you're not giving no bun because I never have them kind of dream yet, you know?
No bun no did it. No bun no did it.
No bun no did it?
No bun no did it.
Oh. Alright.
That not sell for my shelf.
Okay.
You understand? See that for yourself.
Alright.
Yo, just something you have to just understand. Say dream no walk straight now there now. And sometimes I can smile in your family from way over so. You understand? Because I remember if your brother bad and sitting to you know.
Then if somebody in my family, I give them a woman bun. Would that concern me? What are you doing in my dream?
Yeah, because
my family can do.
But none of that me at all. Me I say I saw dream no walk straight.
Oh.
You understand? That you have to understand. But yeah, I come go in the card, I tell you already say, based upon the timing, the earlier me down there. Come if I did it like when people are sell like, you know, lunchtime, people kind of, you know, down on the beach and so forth. So I have to go as early as possible. So I walk the beach, go up front, and walk the beach, go around there, so. You understand? So I better time for me for right now.
Alright.
Yeah?
Me feel like more and pray about the situation because me feel like more and pray about it because when one woman have a man, they have to pray for them, you know, to protect them from the other rest of them way out there. Because you know some womanizer and some manizer out there. And I don't really want no girl come look for you every minute. You know?
No, man,
especially I want white girl look for you so you know yeah, and my dream say you're him there. The way she look for you, she draw your attention and you're not there right out and the dream say me you left.
Listen to me, man. Nobody think about it sitting there.
So I need to bind up them there.
Listen, later on you pray for me. Yeah? Later on I come home, me pray. Because me have to live right now. So me follow later on, then we start the prayer. Because I know if you pray long
know why you left me for no white girl, you know, through them have money, you know.
Listen to me, man. If I'm money, I might think we got a long time. You understand me?
But up on the beach you're there.
Listen
and
to
you
me.
see what's all your rasta then go take you away from me. And then me no love no other man and you me love.
Alright, listen to me.
Me no love no other man. Me no want no other man. You are for me man. And me no want no other man look for me neither.
Brooke.
Oh.
Brooke.
What you say?
Just easy, man. Understands everything under control, yeah? Look more you can pray for me. Right now, me have to go out and go sort out. You understand me, I say? So don't worry yourself, man.
Alright,
yeah?
may God go with you.
Give thanks,
And I hope it crosses woman them no put them eye upon you. Because I don't want no crosses girl take away my man. And what? My man and my man, I'm serious when it come on to my man. This is not Christmas.
Hello?
Hello?
Where going?
Oh my God. I see you sound sweet on my phone, man.
Stop going like.
Yo, no star real talk.
Oh
You know what
yeah.
I mean? Sound like a really angel that speak to me right now. I'll never die and wake up.
Sure. I want to go on. Pay
You know, some of the work I know up on the beach, I try to sell some of them stuff, yeah. You know what I mean? But you don't know it already. But I take the time and hustle. How are you? You alright?
Yeah, me dey here home alone.
Okay, good, cause
The piece of man gone on the road.
that me I said to you, say, find a dirty man in the road, you know, see alright, cause you know, sometimes some man break some woman heart, you know what I mean? And there's a try to get back at them some way, somehow. And them don't know, say, from the moment them break them heart, that is it.
For real?
Yeah, man, you know what I mean? Cause me want you know, say, you're a very special person, you know. And you know, your special vibes is not something you can find on planet Earth. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So you eat already everything?
You eat already? You see it?
No, sir.
Yeah, you see it? You connect it up?
Yeah, up to flow me the here, it's still piece of sachets. You eat already?
Yeah, man. You know, so me, get down on some food earlier on, some vegetable thing. You know, thing already, I eat them. You know what I mean? So,
veg.
Yeah, me eat some veg today and, wrap some soup and, what a vibe.
Let's go on.
I mean, I say right now, if I have the real, actually, I don't want my woman to find out certain things like that, you know what I mean?
I'll share next one too.
How about she, man? She alright. Just make sure you go and be a friend to her just the same way. No make not change.
Yeah, we know that.
You know? Yeah, but one of them days more me just, make up a nice little plan so we can link up. You know? And
yeah, man, then there.
Yeah, because I love when you smile, I love when you smile. And when you smile, it does something to me, man.
You say?
That butterfly feeling, you know what I mean?
You're full of talky?
Oh my God, I should, babe. I should. You know? You don't know, so Rasta speak the truth already.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah, man. So anytime now, I'm supposed to hit the road and forward in and reach home and things. So you don't know anything now. Yeah?
Alright then. Just stay a heal up you still.
What you mean? I don't know, so if I feel lonely, just send me a text me.
Alright.
You know what I mean? Alright, babe. So just enjoy the day, alright?
Alright,
Don't make the dirty man the spoil the day. Don't make the dirty man spoil the day.
Could never.
Right? He's a dirty man.
Dirty man.
Alright, going round.
Alright, that's all.
Alright, babe.
Alright.
Enjoy it. See you later.
Alright. Welcome, babe. Are you home?
Babe, so what you there though?
We need fry 2 flour and 2 sachets.
The house look a mess. The place still mess up. What the whole day there, Brittany, what you been doing?
Me did a sleep and I get up and look about something. Me even want one drink so nothing left for to drink.
That is my point exactly. Brittany, you can't live, so you just there so not do nothing, so.
So where you going so far?
What you mean by what me are going so far?
You not fear behave like that, man. Calm down.
You mean man, me not fear behave like that? Brittany, you name me out of house, you name me out of land, you name me out of food, you name me out of rice, you name me out of oil, you name me out of everything. Me not have nothing left when time come. What you do? Brittany, you can't live, so.
Yeah, come on, but I'm not worried all of that.
What? Brittany, I come home from work for almost 10 hours a day, Brittany. I'm supposed to come home to a warm cooked meal. You can't do this.
Some of the things you would care food from off the road. Normally you do that.
I always do it because I know you're not going to do it, but Brittany, I tell you, I want to changes.
Look here, if I know, if I need to do it, why you come on and cuss them?
I want to changes, Brittany, man. I talk to you about this, then you must have to improve this sitting, Brittany, man.
Put on this right, that's for me and pass on white skin wipe off my hand.
See, put a little plate on the bed. Auntie, you want to take away?
Take we where you eat or take a cover. Yes, seriously, me sleep over there, sir. When the answer move video, I can't just look.
Look like me should have just listened to my friend. I really got to, because you're pretty, you know.
Look
The
here.
people them say me not fit to got a pretty woman, you know. And you see
Listen
what
to
your
your-
cause.
Listen to your friend them. Listen to them.
Brittany, them up, but you prove them right about now. You know I do nothing in that house, Brittany. One time Ghani used to wash, used to cook, used to clean. You stop do all of that, y'all get fat.
So when me get fat, I'm not supposed to get fat.
How that benefit me? Me can't lift you up no more.
I can't use a wheat jelly because I said before. I'm going to always say that until I can't manage me again.
Brittany, man,
Wheat
you
jelly bag.
can't do this, Brittany, man.
I just couple pounds to put on, you know. You know if you behave like that.
Only the pounds me talk about, Brittany. I have to help do something, Brittany, man. Remember, say me have all like, I me foot all like bills, you know. And me pay the rent, you know, Brittany.
yeah, the man.
Where you sleep, you know.
You're supposed to be the breadwinner. You're supposed to go out there and work and come in back.
But you not do nothing to help me. You just lay down and just send me out of house and land, so.
Me and them you out of house and land.
Brittany,
Not talk to nobody here,
what
please.
do you mean?
Don't do it.
But Brittany, you not contribute to nothing when we do. Can't, you know, man, you have to go do something about this, Brittany, man. I don't know. I feel like we need a break.
What kind of break?
I feel like,
You see, if I need a break, it makes sense to go and go sleep and wake up here and stop in it. Because you chat foolishness. But
Brittany,
break.
I love you, but I feel like we need a break.
No break now go nowhere. We not go for no break.
Brittany, you treat me like me is a piece of wood and you is a chichi.
Because he's a hood. Look here. Me can't bother with the man name we argue with woman. Like them a mama man or a sissy man. Me don't know which one to put it. You see me? So me just take my plate and go put it down kindly and do what me have to do. Because I'm not trying to disrespect from you. Because I notice that you try to do. I'm not going to take it. Sorry. No can do. Excuse.
How much sense me say? And all she talk about is me and mama. She not help do nothing in her house, Father God. And me have to come home come clean.
Yeah, mumble in there. Nobody feel like I'm not going to wash up the plate. The plate when me use, me I go wash it.
But the only plate you use if you wash it was always wash it sitting in Brittany. Look on the basket, it's full of dirty clothes.
What's one of my clothes in that? And next thing, me never know says I'm maid here, look. Me never sign up for none of this. Me never sign up for this. So, if it's a maid here, look, you're going out there, go look at me and come back.
Brittany, from you come here, Brittany, at your style, you look in your bed in your Brittany.
What?
You don't do nothing in your house. Look on the towel still up on the door.
So which part if you go? Where if you go then?
Outside on the line, Brittany make sun catchy.
Sunlight a pitch from the window and see they look a bit tight to touch on this. You see me push it back a little. When time I done, me turn it on the next side and make the other part get sun. Can't believe walk downstairs right now. Tired of that.
Brittany.
What?
Brittany, just give me a second. Give me a second.
May I slip out my hand, please?
Give me a second, babes. Just give me
Me
a
I hear. Just stop going, son.
Just hear me
I
out
don't
now,
like
please.
how you go on, man, talk. Me I hear. Me need to go wash up my plate. Next I start cuss about you again.
Brittany, I don't think this is going to work.
Hey, you must be joking.
Brittany, but how this not benefit me none at all. You never want me to touch you.
Look here, I'm not in this with you right, you know. Talk what you want to talk. If you're tired of me, you go and go sleep. That's all I can say.
You see why man go road go take work?
Hold on, boo.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah, delayed.
They are stressed out.
Every time I see you since recently, from the year start, you ever stress out. What's your problem now again?
There's just, how to put this now? A bit of changes in my relationship. Everything just change up. If I feel better, I want to so bad. But I feel worse.
So you want to tell me, say, A problem between you and your man same way from last year and take 2023 care over in a 2024.
I know me and him. Look here, you know, so when me and him just in a relationship, right? I was this type of girl. I do everything was supposed to be done. And they take advantage of me and look here, he's a woman beater here. That man is a woman beater. But it's because I start stand up on my foot and now firm. Make you see no raise the hand off of me.
Brittany, let me tell you something.
Me used to he used to abuse me.
Hello. Me and you are friend. I'm going to tell you the truth where God love. I know you're not going to like it. You see that the man the way you do with are the best man you ever do with in your whole life. I'm not telling you no lie. Every other man you have beat you. Are the only man you have where don't beat you. The only thing
so we
know
meet,
that...
look here, me just...
Me take up for you now. But
Did
the only
that when
thing...
it happened?
Me know say. The only thing when me know about that man there, he ever they cook, wash and clean like a my girl like us. You lovely down in a bed and asleep. Brittany, me and your friend. And me now go back, go tell him man say you come to me with this. But you're not fit do it.
Just listen to me and say
no, you're not fit do it, girl. You're not fit do it.
At first, I mean they do all of that day. And friends start abuse me. Look here, me say, you know what? Me just me done all of the
good
good
yourself,
things.
but at first you used to do it.
But then that me I try to explain to your friends what I never did and listen.
Housework a woman work. So if you have one man and he help you in the work, a good man, but that don't mean if you left all of the housework for him, man or girl. How do you feel
okay,
like?
You know what?
No,
Okay,
right
it
now,
makes sense. Me never come over here.
No, if you, Brittany, yes, when you have one friend in a life, we say your real friend, you see if they don't tell you the truth, they are not your friend. And me as a friend, I may take you for one good friend. And me don't tell you the truth. Girl, stop your man bun. And they left him to cook, and I wash your dirty clothes. And me not like him, man. You see, if me piece of man, you see me have over here, so? Eh? One thing with him, you know.
You know, me and your friend, I'm not like what I deal with it, because the honest truth, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
You will never like the truth. Because you see, this girl when named Brooke will always going to tell you the truth. So you see, if you want this man, me as your friend Brittany, after we they come from so far, just to know how your relationship stay together.
I don't care, I know what you're saying, I know how you say it.
Brittany,
how you say it.
You see, you know me know you a long time. For years. And you see, if I not talk to you that way, you're not going to get it. You're not going to understand and see what they do to the good man.
Good man.
Brittany, you know how much girl out the road want a man like your man who that wash, cook and clean for them?
You're not going with him then.
You hear you? And when you left him now and go take up your words, you run come back to him or come back come
Me
call
not
me.
run come back to nobody.
And come ask me if you go beg him for you.
I'm not going to ask you.
Like what you always do.
Bro, me not do that.
Like well, smell little piece of man when I have over here, so me love him. Although I don't have no money like your man, me love my man. Because you see my man, he will go work. If me in the house they work and he say me tired, babes they want me help you do this, help you do that. Sometimes I have to say left it because the man don't know woman, you know, supposed to take over woman job. They go out the road, go work and they come back and work in the house. Yes, sometimes I make him help me, but me not left everything for him. We are woman who keep us clean, cook give we man, take care of them.
I'm wearing dirty clothes them.
I know you wear them, you see, same
right.
thing, Brittany. I know you wear them. And I know me wear my man clothes them, but it's my responsibility to keep him clean. We women supposed to take care of a man, cook, wash and clean, make sure so them alright and comfortable, just like how we want them make we comfortable. And I know say for your man, I know a long time he ever they work and they carrying food and everything come give. Brittany, you're not hungry at all.
So wait there, however man carrying food come give me not supposed to do it. He's supposed to.
You're not, you see it? You want the man to take care of you and you not take care of him. Here where you go ask me say, if I you, no, I don't like where you just ask me say. I don't like where you just ask me, but if I you wear your man clothes then. No, Brittany.
But
you
I
too
mean,
out harder. If you have one good man and go work hard in a sun and they sweat and they come in with money, come take care of your pay all your bills then, make sure say you're alright. You go turn around and ask me as your friend say, if I you they wear your man clothes, to me I tell you to wash your man clothes and cook and clean and everything. No, you're too wicked. You're supposed to take care of your man. Look here, you can't they look for the man, they take care of your son and they love you up and give you all of the attention and the affection and you not give back nothing in return. You think sex is all? Eh? You think sex is all? You just want to have sex every day. I don't know me keen on breeding and give you 55 pitney because it look like that you want to sit down in the yard.
When you give me the 55 pitney, you want to complain and say you're not doing anything.
But you go run and left for them the time there.
Can't run and left me.
No name can't. And don't say never.
Never.
Never say never. And it cannot happen. Yeah. Nothing no name can't. Everything possible right now.
Make a conversation because
no,
you're going to make people out the road hear me business.
Hey babe.
Hello. Yeah, man.
Hi, where you care for me?
Why you don't say that no go on for the beach today?
Alright, no problem. Can you always care for me? And I'm not nothing I can answer.
But no go on talk.
Alright, so yeah, man. Anyway, you dinner the inside.
Dinner inside?
Yeah, man. But remember to have your shower first because all of the sea salt depend your front for the beach.
Yeah, man, no worries, sir.
Yeah.
I'll deal with it. Yeah.
Alright. Really, me don't like what you say. You need to change your ways. You say go lose a good man. And you go sorry.
A good man, I go lose me. Because me a good man.
If you answer that,
You're supposed to, because...
you're not gonna like what me I go say. Cause
No,
you say me and friend and how me they bash you. And I know when me say how me say it. How me I go say it. The way you are behave with that kind of man there.
You ever see how he behave with me yet?
Brittany, me and friend long time and me know your man good. Long time.
You know my man good?
Long time me know him. Me not tell him lie, me not take up film and me don't want your man. But me I tell you the truth where God love. He's a good man and a whole heap of woman out there would have love to have one man like that.
You would have loved to have a man like mine.
Stop take disadvantage of the people them boy pick me.
Me not do it.
You hear what me say?
You know, me can't have this with you right now
Stop
later.
take disadvantage of the
Me I
people
come
them.
over because I never come over here for this year. This conversation never for lead so far. Me come to talk to you about
Brittany
something.
nah lead go no more
Yes,
right here
stretchy
so.
from yes, I gone weird so.
No, I'm here and talk and nobody not hear it.
If
Listen.
I'm outside, if
No, they're not here. People gone and they work and all about all over the place. And me and they say, come on, me and me advise
could I
them.
miss Joyce and catch her ears and say, could I?
You see, she know better than you know. Because every day she and fear man over there in a problem see me, you know. I wonder if she they follow, you know, because since recently, me know say you want Joyce a cock up over here, and if you come over here to contact me, but to me and encourage and tell her the good way, you don't like it, I never you want to follow. Go on over dirty Joyce. Go on over Joyce yard. Go on over dirty Joyce yard till Joyce take with your man. You see, you see some girl,
Yes, make me work on that with me. You're going to come for money, man.
Joyce can dash you up on him. Look at why? Don't make me laugh, girl, because dirty Joyce can't talk to me. Oh, me ain't know with Joyce. Hey, girl,
Oh,
you see Joyce?
take them and talk. Stop trying to
You
work
know,
money.
let me stop the fine thing for you. Because look here, you see
Right,
that?
now,
Let me tell you something, you see Joyce? You know why me can't friend with Joyce? She when they grows up on me man too much. I mean, I want no girl close to me man. You are idiot. Because she say a good man you have and she say you don't know the use of a good man. She not have to news for you about your man because she going to take with your man.
Oh,
And you
Joyce.
not stop
Oh,
until
Joyce.
you lose your man.
Just can't take my man.
I only for old foot take enough young foot man. So shut up. Young but no one stammer want to you. What you do? You fool now what? Hey, Joyce, you're lucky you're not giving me to so. Down at the bottom part of the market, you know, one of the back of Sav, round there so when the fish them, the good nice fat fish them, you see when me go round there so, and Joyce make them a call up. Oh, Joyce old but he no call, and she have the good. Me sorry for you. Joyce encourage you to come over here and wash your man clothes and cook your man. You're lucky. Look more at Joyce and your man there go see. Why?
You know,
you can't say me never want you.
me not,
You can't say me never want you.
me not in this here.
Where you not
die.
in? You don't want nobody take your man. You never feel man when you not take your him.
You know what, later,
Yes,
come go.
Stay there until Joyce take with your man. Don't worry yourself.
Gonna call up, Joyce.
You love go people here go cock up your
Miss
foot
Joyce!
and don't wash out your you see it
I
over
go over
Joyce you
Joyce
gone.
yard.
You like it mix up
You
and
know,
that's why
me
you
come
go
my
take
yard
with your
instead,
man
yeah,
from
man.
you. Cause you don't know if you take care of your man, you ready go mix up. And God Joyce you go take your ass and clean our dirty floor. You're too fool. You're lucky Joyce, you know no sense. I told me and your friend make me not take that them man. They make me never have no man and see. And make me never friend. A good man that. Although my man good. So me I take care of my man. You alright. So go along over Joyce. Joyce don't give away they look for. You alright.
look like something though?
You know do nothing. I'm a friend Brittany.
Brittany.
Yeah, you know say me and Brittany are friends for a long time.
Yeah, but what do you have Brittany now?
Me not trust her.
You mean trust her?
Because I would come out her mouth.
Let's Brittany alone, man. Brittany have no style sometimes, but I just fear I think that I'm fear, man. I'm not trust them neither. Be nice.
You don't trust them neither?
No,
so you never say nothing to me?
No, but me not talk no business like that because you forward down and chat.
No, listen now. And I chat her, you know. She's my friend. You and me don't know, say me and Brittany are friends long time. But when you have a friend, if you cannot tell them the truth, you and them is no friend.
That's true.
And they talk to her, and the way how she dey act, and whatever she dey make come out her mouth about her man, me feel say she a get her man bun.
You feel say she a get her man bun?
Yes.
We do
And
that.
me feel know, but me no think I judge her. Well, if me the judge her, God forgive me. But guess what? The man when me know say Brittany have, a man where we all cook, wash up. Me come over the yard much time, you know, me go the yard much time. Me see how the man operating, cook, clean and sit and Brittany we all lay down in a bed. You know, like some lazy woman. Me no know how the man keep up with them this foolishness.
So you come over here and watch the man a cook?
No, I know watch me, they watch them. Me and Brittany are friends. See like how Brittany come on me yard, and so me go to Brittany yard.
So you are watching man?
Me not watching man.
So how you have a conversation?
No, listen. Me and her have a conversation.
You want to sit down?
No, me no want to sit down. How she dey behave with her man. You understand how when me come over here a couple times to show, me really see man a cook and a wash and a do all kind of things. But me get to understand, say, when some woman, they have man with for them man, they start behave certain type of way with them personal man. So me know I use that and I try to get you out of Brittany. I know she can't answer me say I'm a bunch she a give her man. And me say to her, you know, me say Brittany if you top give your man, but I know she no answer. So that I give me one little in say maybe I hit a happen for you.
That's the problem.
And I hit a cause the problem. Cause talk it to
How
me.
much money get man bun?
How much? Me no business how much, you know. And me no want to know how much, but she not supposed to do that.
But if you don't want to know how much, so make you just in a feeding business. So just let feeding business.
No, she am my friend. If I did me, you don't know Brittany. Everything
but
about me, she come to me about
but
it.
the argument me you know with a while ago, it make no sense. What kind of friendship that?
It makes sense.
What
It
kind
might
of
not make
sense
no
it make?
sense to you. You're a man, we are a woman. We sit down and talk certain things where you won't really sit down and talk about. But if Brittany see me and do something wrong as my friend, would I like her to encourage me and talk to me about it and tell me say, no, that not right, you know that not right. Cause that can't happen.
Bro, listen to me.
That can't happen in one relationship and it continue in a no trustworthy. That can't happen because if you want your man to trust you or a woman to trust you, you can't cheat on one another.
That's true. So bro, what make you have this for your brain now? I want because I dream this morning.
No, I'm not true because no, I dream.
You come tell me about dream, then you come tell me about say, you know, trust Brittany, then you soon me not like how this go. A long day me having.
Babe, listen.
Listen, man, you have a long day and thing. Me have to just go out the door, just go relax a bit.
What do you mean? Me and you there. And if you don't want me to talk to you about this, which other man me to go talk to
No,
about
yeah,
this?
so talk about it.
Yeah, but to me, you don't want to hear it.
No,
you know?
I want to hear it,
What
but
are
I'm
they?
just saying it is too constant. And you have to make sure that you protect your mind and your frame. It's like how you think. Oh, alright. Enough time me see I watch a little bit on your phone, on TikTok and sitting with this star man, this and relationship breakdown, man a cheat on this and all them something. So you can bring more influence on you and
You
you
know,
can
bring no
start think
influence
about
for
certain
me,
things.
because I'm no idiot. Listen, my friend, so our business is my business. Cause my business
have to be.
become, yes, my business become fair business all the while she come to me. You don't know when me and her sit down and talk about my business.
Right now, Britney's supposed to be there asleep right now, and you there as stress.
Me nah stress, me just no want she put herself in a no problem and go fall in love with no man and then man.
But she fall in love with her man already.
No, listen.
What you say?
Not her personal man me talking about now. Me no want she go fall in love with no other man then let me put in the other man when she already have her personal man and go mad out her personal man or make her personal man go damage her.
Yeah, but you remember.
And my friend me no want nothing for do her. You can't have 25 man.
Since we not in business, you remember how that the man used to treat her? When
That
she come home and I cook for him and she feel say she salty pot. So him fling the food out the door.
But then talk about it, then war already and him done and then forgive them one another.
You hear what you say about them talk about it, then war about it.
Yeah, them men war about it and talk about it and all pastor then go and pastor pray for them about it and then start be a humble.
You see what you say? You say then that means say he will have all right to do it to him? To her?
No, he have no right to do it to him because I told him I'm
a friend. To her, then apologize, then go pastor.
No, but he not do it again. At least they in a one relationship now. We no war, no he in like one time.
You never supposed to start from
because you can't forgive your partner, you know, but it depends.
What if me come in the house and just box you down? You gonna forgive me? You can't go pass and make a pray about it?
You can't just look for me and box me down so for nothing at all. And if you box me, I go back to your back and I decide to them. Me's not Britney. Because me not take no lick from you. Me not do you nothing.
But you remember one time when we see the man walk in the house because he hear say she a give bun and he just walk it and box her down and we hear box from way on her back. And we run back a light.
Well, you don't know all of that, you, because when me go out the road, me hear it from the horse mouth say Britney when they give him bun for two with John. John with Patricia down the road.
John?
Yes.
Dr. John you talk about?
I mean, no say a true, but me never say nothing to you.
John you sell the market you talk about?
Okay, of course.
How long that now?
Good little while when yesterday when they war. Cause the man love her, the man jealous of her. And me no want the man end up to Britney nothing. So me no want him go fall in love with no other man when he make this a man I don't fall in love with him. Well, Britney no fit take nothing from the man if he no want him. And if he left him then I leave him alone, make him move on with his life. Why she a got there with one man where she no want, she no love, and she dey fall to one next man. Go on to the next man. Why you have to hide in a bathroom pan phone? Cause me catch her, you know. I told me no confront her with it, you know.
So other
day me go her yard. And me hear she dey chat to one man on the phone in the bathroom.
But you hear the man what she talk to?
Me no hear the man voice, cause she no put it on speaker. But you see what me hear Britney they say? Me know say a one man she dey chat to while her man did in the kitchen the wash plate. But me no say nothing.
Most one ballad.
What you mean, boss, for a ball? No can't want Rasta too?
Yeah, Rasta live their life so. Fire upon that man, brimstone. You can't talk them something about Rasta. Rasta live their life so. Rasta live killers.
Oh.
You understand me? I say Rasta straight. That's why he made them straight out. You understand? So nobody.
So what make you take up for Britney?
I'm not take up for nobody.
And my friend, and she wrong. Me go tell her say she wrong. Me not take up for her when she wrong.
But me not take up for nobody. Me I take up for you. You understand?
Where you take up for me with now? What?
Take it put on your head.
Me not take it put on my head, but me no want nobody come kill off my friend. Yeah, through she a cheat.
No man, you need to stop watching something upon the social media where I show you a kind of relationship or feel. And you know them sitting there.
Some things where you see on social media is reality. They happen in a real life too. So if someone who don't know what me know, who go watch it and take in what them a teach people. I know everything on social media fake, you know. Some are real thing.
Make you have me say like a prison man. Make you say a long time it's camp on the beach yourself.
Alright. Me did look about something for you eat. You know want it?
Me go back and go relax.
So you dey on beach whole day and just come back. You not go bed first but sit down on and back and one it was.
Me cool out. Me can't go bed in the cool water.
I just thought me did come to you about and argue me and argue with you.
Catch you look at water in a pan for me so me can go bed. So catch your water, me go cool out.
Me already catch up water from man. Every minute water gone. So you not go in a bathroom with water. I'll be just bed.
No, not going about. John, you up on your ends? Alright, come link me. Me run at the back of my yard. Just walking, yeah. Nah man, nothing man. I just reason me ask you some, question because I want to look at a situation where I'm not really clear about. Yeah. Brother, school man, what I'm to you man? Yo, mama, you're fine right now, right? Alright, let's see how I put it again. Yeah, man, forward it.
So I go on Raj.
Well, I'm there, Mr. John. Jesus Christ, man.
Today I go and hold them now and relax myself.
What you
So
mean,
when I
bro?
hear them say give me a call, I say me a calling.
What you mean, man? 'Cause I don't know a thing, but we have family.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
I'm gonna ask you right now still. And I really, something what I bubble up on my mind and all them something, in there. But I just something what me hear about today. I'm just want to find out, cause me, yeah, I'm putting in little things.
Yeah, man. Me and her when I go on this.
When you're not going,
On night time.
what you done now?
Yeah, man. And I never nothing too big to, so nobody have it like a nothing too big. I just want liquor. You know how you go.
Yeah,
You know how you thing go.
Want to go quickie?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm just want to find out that thing. Is
So,
that...
I'm not cut it for you, man.
No, you're mad, man.
Oh, what you ask me the question?
No, man. Just because, say if a nice weapon is key, man. We are here while going and, I don't really want to know, say, one day the man will kill him over there and sitting there. I just want to find out certain things, that's all. You know what I mean? So how work are going?
Everything I go on, man.
Oh,
Everything I go on. You know, we not give up.
That's true. Because even though I'm there still, I don't really see as often like we used to. Hold a drink and hold a vibe on the corner and, you know what I mean?
That's
Things
true,
like
boy.
it change when we get busy. So nobody feels say me out of sight, out of mind. And that's how I go.
Nah, man.
Just that make busy. But, alright, you are going. Just keep this confidential between me, Alright, sir?
I do it, man.
Big up yourself and thing. So for your mom's good?
Yes, man.
Big up for me.
Mom's always alright,
Big
man. I
up
know
for
it
me.
thing go.
Alright, brother. Man has
Alright.
respect. Yes,
And
sir.
it's she overseas, you know.
She overseas now?
I want to you.
Bumper! Nice
Soon
that.
there too.
Oh, you mean?
Alright, so.
Manners, yes,
I
sir.
say a word, man.
And we talk. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
There's so much man with me. Think to me first.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm telling.
John.
What you dey do? Look here, me tell you this now. Don't come touch me and feel like say everything alright. Me and sleep and you touch me same time. What am I to you?
You know, babes.
What you mean make me not feel behave so? And you make me behave like this? Things you do me in the past. A time for me to take my revenge now. Me not make you treat me like an idiot again. Me not make you do it.
You don't treat you no way.
You not treat me no way now.
I can't touch my woman again.
You can't look here. Imagine me want sleep and you wake me up.
So, babes, I just touch your car the morning cool and...
The morning cool, wrap up underneath the sheet. You notice I'm not come under the sheet without going sleep though? Because I'm not really there and nothing with you. Yo.
You know, babes.
Excuse you, hon.
So, yeah,
I
babes.
feel like go back go lay down.
So, yeah, babes, you in my bed with me. And I can't
So
touch you.
what if me then in your bed with you?
And I can't touch
That
you.
not give her the right to touch me.
But you're not my woman.
And
So then if you're my woman, I'm supposed to can't touch
look
my
here, if
woman.
me don't want you to touch me, don't touch me. Simple, that's all. Because the last time I check, I'm my body. If me say do not touch me, don't touch me. Please, don't do it. Don't do it.
So they say reach, you know?
Alright, they say reach. Me know to say you look a clown, but it's about the wrong bus stop. Remember me tell her that.
So, I can't in my bed and feel horny and want to touch my woman.
Take a step and go to the bathroom if you feel horny. Sorry, me can't help you. So come out of this too. Me say, you know about me for you? You know about me for you? You born me for you?
Really?
Yes, really. You know I'm gonna come out of this to you, man. You just hit me.
I'm not for talk, I'm not for say nothing. So I can't, I'm gonna listen to somebody else's house. This I can't feel nice. Can't get nothing from foolish technique. Home if you do with my woman and my woman not even want to have sex with me. Man else woman asleep with them and my woman have sex with me. Now you are thing there broke husband man. Yeah man, now you work on the grill there on the beach.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you see a man.
How are you going? How are you doing?
No, you don't do me nothing, you know. Your wife and my lady are close friend, you know.
Broke later, yeah, honey?
Yeah. Outside your head.
I don't want nigga me I go still, but everything good?
Yeah, man. Yeah. I don't decide my head, you know. I'm actually a manager for Richard Brown's hotel and inn. Yeah.
Nah, man, you're away from a virgin, so you can't go on. You know what I mean? But
yeah, I go still, you know, but I said that for ask you a question. Is me come, you know? Being honest, it's not one for talk my business or road or fast in a people business, but never look a question I want to ask you. Listen, your wife and my wife are close people. Them though.
Yeah.
You feel like your wife tell my wife all heap of things are like everything?
Yeah, man, kind of my virgin and talk. Even the other day when we found in, you know, I said my talk on the veranda.
So like, what do you think? You feel like she's a nice person?
Oh, my wife are
No, I'm not talking my wife still. You know, I'm just certain things are not add up and I see certain signs and I don't know if I read into things or me I overreact or is my mind a play tricks for me. But she a move like feel like she have an affair. Yeah man, she not do certain things where she used to do. The communication breakdown in the relationship and she not talk to me like she used to talk to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You have to understand this thing, you know. You see, sometimes in a woman's world, when I go through them monthly cycle, them change. So if you are request certain things within that cycle, you will find yourself attacked to a different somebody totally. So nobody feel say as she had the problem and irritate it. Maybe you just ask her certain things at the wrong time. Cause guess what? As some my woman stay to, you know. We can't talk to her a certain time, bro.
So she stay?
Yeah, man, some my woman stay and I tell you say, like, alright, it's every time the first part of the month, I know some have to leave her alone. It's buy her be fruits, and just leave her alone. We can't even come round her in her bed or nothing at all like that. Because I know it's a fear time that maybe you check for your woman at that time and it turn her off. And she make you, like, if she say, you don't understand her. I remember, it's a woman's world.
So you say, I read too much into this?
I read wrong, brother. A man no read. Man just do.
You know what? I'm gonna listen to your phone. I listen to your advice.
And let me know how it turn out.
Yeah, respect, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Kind of give me a little perspective on things, you know, I appreciate that.
Don't take it so hard, man, because Brittany a good lady, you know. Yeah, man.
You see, if any at all you want to work in the hotel industry, you can give me a link, you know, because we can use heads like you, we can reason out certain things, you know.
Definitely, man. Definitely, brother.
Respect, right, brother. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, man. You too, sir.
Yes, chief.
Hello.
What's up, baby?
I'm here.
Oh my God, you know something about teacher. It's a thing about you from man, and I'm just can't get out because I said to myself, say, it's about time we link up, you know. What do you think?
No problem. Today, right?
Right now, nothing about.
Alright
Don't you
then.
man, don't you man today?
No, not there.
Alright, so I'm gonna just come make a meet up in here.
Alright.
That's
Search
the
for
location.
or send me location then.
We alright there?
Yes, I'm okay. But just the here boring.
Oh my God, I got me no warrant, you know. So when I go there now, it's trying to put back that smile on your face. Alright, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, my sugar. Alright, so see you at you.
Alright.
Alright, babe.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Mwah. Alright. Location.
Yo, you see them a thing, My best thing ever, I tell you. And the way you deal me. Yo, I know if you want things to me there beach, you know.
I fear
sell
business
stuff.
that she can't handle.
Yo, guess what? For your man, me feel tell you, which day for your man come link me.
Link you for what?
It's like you might exit, I go to work, and I exit at the same time. Man, I link me, I say, boy, I wonder if me know nothing where I go on based on you telling film woman stuff. And I say to her, yo, I say to him, say, yo,
well, good, you know.
Eh?
All him good too.
Brittany,
Yeah.
well, go on. Give me a call now. I don't have no credit and I try to make one call from man and I can't get it. Can't get no call.
I want no people that can have credit. Not them
I'm so glad me see you. I want a call. Seriously.
Yeah.
Give me a call.
Go there. So, what go on? Tell you just up I go.
Hold on there.
What happened to you? How we are call?
One of my friend, he call and go through. It not go through. It's alright. He call and go through. Thanks, sir.
But I don't ring off it.
I send off you already, but he not go through.
Alright then. So, where they on the idea?
On the road me did I go.
Oh.
I go get some stuff out the road and come back.
Okay. Upstairs, may I go still?
Say good though.
Yeah man, I'm good.
Alright, look come here.
Alright.
Thanks for your call.
Yeah.
Hi, honey. Where you come from? Look how long me there wait for you.
We just take a walk on the road because we did stay here on board.
Take a walk on the road. Everything me need to think about.
Think about what?
What you mean by think about what? You don't normally do them something here. And from the other day, me noticed the behavior, you know. The pattern, you know, you know.
If you put something in the house born, I can't go away. That's what you try to say? You want to have me in the house like a horse rat?
You don't normally go out. Brittany, what you say to me? You normally just there, even if I mostly asleep, you die in your sleep.
But me no want to sleep. Me feel like I want to take a walk. I am young and I feel I want experience
Yes,
life some more.
you're young. Yeah, you see that
Me
me I
need
talk
to go
about.
out.
You want experience
Me
life
need
more.
to go out. I can't have me in the house like that.
Can't have you in a house like that. You see what I talk about? And that's why I mean you're sick out, you know.
Yeah, make it awkward. Hear out with the cat there.
Me can't find that right now. Listen to me. Me not trust what I go on. And me a sneeze. Me not top sneeze. Till me feel like a flu. Me I couldn't know where. That's why me draw for alcohol again.
Yeah, the flu then. I can't no else. Yeah, well, your dog you come and sniff me. Don't do that.
So you smell some.
How? Sweet?
Not I want different scent. Your beard?
Let me lift my beard. You hear my beard before me left the yard?
No, so that beard the still smell fresh. Like you just beard ya.
And a long
Before you
time
come
I left
back
from here. I want my tail.
I mean, I know that SO up there. You know, say you're a fool, you take me
Okay, you come see me.
Alright, fool, you take me fine now.
Let me take you for fool.
Britney sitting alright, sitting and tingling on my head and it tell me sitting
Then
alright.
make you go and tingling head because of foolishness or tingling that they bring there.
Britney, you still love me, Britney?
Look here. You see if you dare play a part good in the relationship, you don't have to think about this to me and cheat. Just because you know in yourself say, you know do the right thing, make you feel like me a cheat. Well, I'm not cheating. And the next thing, you're too insecure. I don't like you. You're too insecure and I don't like you know see I chew me and talk. Me come in here and sniff me. Look here. At least come give me a hug and say, how was a day? None of that.
Because babe, come in and you normally there. It's just that you wasn't here. I feel I never know if it's think and
I say I feel when time me alone the here every day and you live on the road. You will say you're gonna work and don't know what you do. You understand? So if you just give me my time, come here and give you your time. You have me in a house too much when I like that. House boring, you know? Boring part. Me alone they here, nothing they here for do.
you know say I left work early, say me I come home come surprise you babes. And that me say me I do, you know. Change from early out and come in, come sit in and say, oh, alright, man, I wait for my baby because she probably must just gone outside her sin. And then I wait how long I'm gonna see ice cream, I go bring you go buy, you know, I go treat you today.
You alright?
Yeah,
Make it look so.
I am okay. Everything good now.
So no greeting, no hug up, no nothing.
Good man.
I know you listen.
You can stay right here so I'm gonna talk to you a little bit, please. You wouldn't mind if me start have a friend?
I mean about friend, what time?
Like, I think me have too much woman friends, so me feel like I need a man friend. So, you know, think if it's possible for me to take his number and put in my phone.
I mean, what you talk about?
Like, just have one friend. Just one normal friend as a man, and I can take him and put in on the phone. That won't affect you.
Something not going on, you know?
No, nothing not go on, babe.
Something not going on.
I just feel like we have a new friend in my life because I'm not sacrificing of the amount of friends you have.
A business people up on my phone, you know? I be a business people. A people who want buy the product them from me. You understand what I say? I them people on my phone.
Yeah,
Me a smile.
No, I don't say pay business people in your phone.
I want to you, babe.
Not a thing. I just feel like I want a new friend. And if I have a friend, I feel like I take their number, put in a film phone so I can call them when I feel like, or them can call me, I can give them my number and you know feel no way. That's not done.
What kind of friend? What kind of friend you talking
I
about?
just tell you say one man friend.
Yeah,
you know,
but-
I like
but-
woman friend them I have already, and sometimes I not even see them because them have for them personal man and they have other man and they deal with their friend man. So but I like to have one man friend.
Yes. This is too much.
Yes, some of my friends them love deal with people man. So
We are talking about there with people, man.
me no want
You want what?
Me no want deal with nobody man.
Well, you want a man for yourself?
No, me already.
You want a different man from me?
No, me want
So-
one friend, but a man friend me want. I mean need their number in my phone and I think it should affect them.
How I say no?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing. If
Hey,
you're
listen
looking at
to
my
it.
phone and see one man number in there,
Mm-hmm.
me no want you feel no way because you can't say me never tell you.
So how this just come up so today this morning, sir? Eh?
God. Baby, let me tell you something.
You may talk all food smoke this morning.
This morning,
What?
yesterday, last week,
Neighbor
next week.
them just loudy, man.
I suddenly stay, but me I talk to you now. And don't take it personal. I think me go have one friend with you. And you know, should have bother your known tal. You shouldn't enough to bother your known tal at all in your life. You have to feel nice about it. Just like me beg dirty Brittany with me take for my friend a call. Fi call you. Because of circumstances why me did want to call. And my credit did finish on my phone. And when me take the bitch, look your word. Not me cuss. Yes, when me take our phone and they type in your number or your name that come up in it. Where your name they do in our next one phone. I'm not talking on my friend phone.
So now fool friend we are talking about.
Who which friend?
What you mean? So enough time when she a call me sometimes we come help her do certain things. And a long time I normally see my phone. That number has been in my phone for over a year now. Yeah.
My friend.
So
It's your friend.
So how you gonna?
Babe, me not stupid. Me am an idiot.
Belly that happen.
Listen to me, man. Your belly out here. I shit you one shit. Listen to me.
Easy, cause coming
You have to have a belly ache right now because you know what is going on between you and she. Me tell a long time say me not trust that girl there. You understand me? And you know how it come down with
Trust
she
her with
and
how?
this
No,
people.
you and she sit down for a veranda talk, which day that me pass, you know. How you not trust her? What is the problem? What is causing this thing between you and she and things and me and she in something? Me not understand. Yeah, man. A man you have, you know, you start get insecure. You start think that way there. Anytime some woman that pray that way there, and because them I decide to do certain things. That type problem.
Me I decide to do certain
What do you mean? So how this coming out you want a man friend phone in the number in your phone?
Because you look like you're dumb, you're deaf and you're blind. You're illiterate, you're stupid. You're not hear what me I say. Me see your number.
In a fear. Of course I go see her because our neighbor right across the road there. You know what make it understand?
Your number.
Yes, so when I know a neighbor?
Save in a Britney phone as
What? What you save as?
my man, public.
No, lie I tell. My sister boy voice a lie I tell. You put on.
Lie me I tell.
I must put on, you put on.
I put it on.
I
Let me
must
put it on, take
she
it off.
save it as my man friend public from cross the street.
You're my man, friend. You hear my man.
Because I the hotel worker will live
You're a youngster, man.
over there, sir.
Oh, you're wicked and
You're
right.
easy as a type of
Babe,
stomach.
me can't believe say all the time me and you there.
What
And
me
they
do?
say me trust you. You wasn't a trustworthy person.
What do you mean somebody is a trustworthy person? What you talking about?
Then out of all of the girls them, within this a community where me live, or elsewhere in a different parish or different communities, different area, whatever you want to call it, you choose to live with my friend. Me not idiot. When me borrow the phone from her, when she wasn't looking, no, when she not look, me search her WhatsApp.
You sure say
it? On your page. Me see who no text, who not text.
Who you text it?
Me see where she send you, where she send you, where you send she, where she reply back and where you reply back. Me see everything. Me know when you no go out, me know when you go have a drink, me know where you buy gear, me know when you promise her money, me see everything. Me know where you tell her if you come collect XYZ money. Me know say the last here when me see in her head.
You sure? Say after my name, save. You sure you put one wrong digit on it? Me think you put one wrong. I can't. That nothing can't go so. Me, this a man ya. You must be kidding, man. Joking.
Anyway.
All thing me do is sell on the beach and come back to my yard. Don't bother the fools. Me can't bother with that right now.
Anyway, you notice me not quarrel?
But you can't call because you don't know facts.
You notice?
Call Brittany now. Call her if you come in and make her talk to her.
I do not
and ask her what go on. Call her man too.
Call her way.
You mean call crowd?
Call Brittany in my room, she can't come back to my yard. Me don't want her in my place again. Because I see any friend, where they take with their friend man, they're not trustworthy. A wicked girl then will kill you and take your man.
Listen to me.
And I'll kill him man too because when you see the same thing when you do to me. After me, you do so
long. Me don't do nothing to you.
You go do it to she too if you want another woman, so she will find you out. Don't worry yourself. Everything good, everything is okay. But guess what? if you want an open relationship, we can have it.
Gonna madness now.
Yes.
So you come in now, check our phone, and find. And I saw me name neither. I saw me name. I saw me name.
I don't know. Look here, you have
Me tell you say a wrong Spanish, me no name public. What you talk about?
You have your nickname.
Which nickname?
And you have your real name. I remember say people.
What my name? What my name? What so my name?
Listen, me know what that. Look here.
What my
You
name?
come like me no want to know your name.
You need to say what
Nobody
my
want
name.
to know nothing about you again. Me just alright. And if you want this relationship to continue, there. Hello. If you want this to continue, we are going to start having an open relationship. Like if you talk to any woman, it's like nothing to me and carry them in and nothing. And me can carry any man me want.
You overreact. Take a walk and breathe out, man. You overreact this thing. You need to want a drink. Go on,
if
go
a
on a
wrong
drink.
name and a mistake, she make a put your name.
I carry my
The
name.
number cannot wrong.
So how
The
the name wrong and you attack with the number? You punch in wrong number and I search the girl phone. Right now I shall call her and make she know say I saw you stay. Me I call her right now. That me fi do.
See there. See if you're narrowing or something.
Look. Fear no want to stay upon my something.
Because guess what? You don't want me to find out.
When me say me don't want to find out.
Dating her. The two of them, they together.
Me and she not there together. Alright, listen what she gonna say to me now. Because obviously something wrong with you.
Hello?
Brittany,
Yeah.
are we together?
We are that one now.
Exactly, I don't understand. For me, woman now, she said she beg your call earlier on today, and she look in your phone and my name saved in your phone, and so she feels that me and you there, and she gonna say now, say she see text and all these things in her phone.
Here, may I define what she did on here? If the phone is speak, I make sure know something in the phone.
Exactly, you should overreact. Now tell her that she overreact. She the phone up on speaker.
She's overreacting because I don't want you.
Exactly.
I want to look for friend, man.
Why she look her friend, man? Look. Overreacting, baby, I tell you.
Give me the phone. Hello, Brittany. Brittany, me and your friend for a long time. I can't believe I saw you stay. If you never know when me borrow the phone from you, I see all of the message them on the message you know one another. When he buy the eargear, when he tell you to come collect the money and everything, me see it. Me and your friend, and I can't believe say you there with me, man. Girl, now come back on me yard. That done me done. Right? You know what? Come on from me. I don't care. I'm my man's phone. Come on from my phone.
Hey, babe.
No, babe me.
Listen
no,
to me.
Babe me.
Relax, the man. Hello. Just relax and calm down. You're overreacting. Me understand? Say, I will do the same thing. I don't feel the same way. But you overreact. Me I tell you that.
Me not look here. You know what? See same thing. I same thing. I the same thing they tell about say. Me have to go cut off some of the woman friend them me have because some woman. You take them to your friend, then they sleep with your man and you don't even know. Then woman they a sniper, then we kill you. Me not want them kind of friend around me. And you know, so me feel the energy. Me feel the energy for a long time, you know. Me not trust a girl, and me always tell you, you know. Me always tell her, but you always jump down with throat and go on like I say. No go so. You know, say Brittany, a man take her for a long time.
Just go and go. Go and go take a drink and carry one. Go on.
Me?
Yes, go on.
So go take a drink.
Cool out, man. Cool. Me tired, me have a long day.
It's alright, it's okay.
Yeah,
it's okay, but one thing me I tell you.
Yes,
Them say, in a real life, them say, you can't do what a man do and still be a lady. But listen to me now. Remember, you started.
Oi. So late in the night. So you don't cook yet?
No, it not finished cook.
What do you mean you don't cook yet?
It don't cook. Hello, I'm gonna come lift up my pot.
Where's something there?
Look here now, what is wrong with you?
Me hungry,
Go outside or something, man.
But I'm hungry. Yeah, take
The
too
food
long.
so ready. If you did want food, you'd have cook it yourself. The food so ready, door ready. So, yeah.
Alright, then I'll go outside. I'm still come. Yeah, man.
Hello?
Hello? Who this? Where you get that number here from?
Like, listen to me. You see, when me down for the beach, you know, can call me, but no one can't call me. I don't know who this is. Stop calling phone.
Wait. Yo.
Hold on, who this? Eh?
Hello?
So when the food are done cook?
It's soon ready, man. It's soon ready. Soon ready. Soon ready, man.
What a man for a beast. We can go inside.
Yeah, man, go on. My pot soon ready.
When time you finish, you call me.
I will, yeah.
I'm one man at the big plates, big cup of juice. Alright.
What a vice there. It's a vice. You know what I mean? No, man. No, this a man.
Babe. I'm back and can't find. You have the bag?
Just sit here around here, because I know you're soon going. But why your bag so heavy?
I mean, I have change of clothes just in case. I beach me work on in the sports water with me. Babe, I don't like how you deal with certain things. I understand say you feel uncomfortable based on circumstances around you right now. But you can't treat me so. I go to work now, you can't even say, boy, you cook some little food and I'm going to work. I come out of the house now, empty belly. Now I come and see me back out there, so. You think I know so I search my back? What are you searching back for? So, are they so we start live now?
Yes. Right there so you reach because of your fault. Who did call you last night on the phone? You think me never hear? Me just act like say me no know say somebody call you. You me not say nothing to you?
As some business people are trying to call me, I say if come bring some product down on the road right now, I say I don't work at night time. You hear me say it loud and clear? Me no work at night time, so I don't know how them call my phone.
And I use it for me and chat about Jehovah Witness now for calling at night. No Jehovah Witness people are calling nobody in the night.
At 2 times my phone ringing, and 2 times my phone ringing last night. I don't like what I go on, babe. I'm hungry right now, I don't get no...
You couldn't boil some stuff in the morning and,
Me
you
not
know,
in a mood for
not
look
even
about
porridge.
Me not in a mood for look about nothing right now.
So if you're dead for hungry,
No, you're not going dead for hungry. Me sorry about that, but me can't. Me just not in the vibes right now for go run no stove and light no fire.
so make me light the fire for you, then you go and run the stove.
No,
That's how be the case.
it get late. Go on, now where can you go? Maybe cook before you come back. You get something to eat when you come back. Or you can buy some patty or something on the road.
So they say you know.
Not my fault.
Alright. Can't me have to just take what me get. Not true? Broke.
What make you call me?
Just relax now, bro.
Alright, yes, so me sit down. Me hear everything what you say. Me not the way out they say you holler out my name. Me not doing nothing right now. Me just sit down and easy and see if me can sort out my brain. Me depend on steady media now. Right now me I try to concentrate to see which next move me to make or what me to do or whatever for the rest of the day. When you go and boy your business and do what you know to do.
What you mean what me not to do? It's alright. I get some time to think about certain things. When you make a big mistake about this searching bag and you wonder about who called me last night. You never get that wonder them something there.
Some men have no right to ask who they call their phone in a middle night. You know much like that? Any woman would ask them man, who call them the time there. Even if
9 o'clock in the night?
9 o'clock.
I still
Even
business hours.
if they don't ask them in 9 night, they won't ask them one day. All if I know next day,
Babe.
they won't ask
At
them.
9 o'clock, KFC is still open. Corner shop still open. Don't want Mr. Pop shop still open. What you talking about? At 9 o'clock. If I went 12 o'clock, no 1 o'clock, you can say something. But true, we go to bed early. Because you always cook even last night and nobody.
I cannot understand the relationship between me and you.
What do you mean understand the relationship between me and you?
Me take it for my personal man. Me don't have another man with you. I am a jealous person. Me don't want no girl call me man phone certain time of the night. Then can call you how much o'clock in the day. Me no care. Me no business. Whether business or no business, me no business. I don't care what kind of business. Whether business them I call about or no business don't tell me no care, me no business. But certain time in the night, no woman no fi call no man phone or no man they can call no woman phone in the night for them man fees the next man they have. Me no in a day something there.
Alright, relax yourself, relax. Later. Yeah? Love you, man. Kiss me now.
Me in a day something there with nobody I can call phone in the night. So late. Me in a day something there.
Hello, Sash? Alright, what you know? When I get into the office, I'll continue this conversation, alright? Yes, because I see somebody I want to have a word with. Morning. How you doing, Brooke? Is Raj over there?
No, him just leave. He's gonna work.
Just missed him. You have a minute?
Come now.
Yes. Oof. Kind of a bit late, you know, but I want to talk to you a little bit. Can I have a seat? So, Brooke, I know I haven't been here in a while. I haven't come check you and whatnot. You know, just work and, to be honest, I had a lot on my plate. Yeah, man. I was dealing with depression and the whole alcohol drinking. And I know they over here as my neighbors and hear a lot of what I'm saying. And I know it wasn't pretty. And to be honest, I take full responsibility for all my actions. You know? I know I mistreated my wife. I never did I treat her the right way. But I look into myself and I'm fixing it. But I don't think she's accepting the changes that I'm coming off with.
Steven. I have something to say to you. I did want to say this to you from a few weeks ago, but I did not get the chance to do so. Steven, Me and your friend, and you go say to me, say, why me never say to you? But me not like problem in a people life. Yes, me do stay over here, so I'm here and over there. I have no bangarang and no ups and down and whatever, but that is not my business. So me not really make it bother me. But if you never know, me talk to your woman about it. Because it not sound good in our community. You understand?
Thank you.
Me talk to her, but you know her style already. Full of attitude. Her attitude stink.
Aye.
All when me and her friend and me and her talk so good, it's like I am the one who cannot correct her. I can't correct her. I try to correct her in the best way I can as a friend and as a neighbor. It not work out. I don't know how you do it.
She held
I not go mention certain stuff to you, what she said to me and how she was behaving. But, Stephen, I can't tell no lie. Are you a woman already? You're not done there together. I not tell you if you leave her. But I'm not saying you must stay with her. It's up to you. I just like give you one little hint for you. Open the book and read it by yourself. I not take no girl name and care to no man. But in a one different way of life, with me and she, you know, me can tell her certain things. But between you and she, me not go tell her nothing for you and her life. Or for nothing for you and her stay. That the part there between you and she, it's up to the two of you.
I understand.
But you see me now, I don't like no girl play with me, man. You understand me? I don't want no girl. They can friend me and can have up my man number in her phone. You understand me? And me never know say, Brittany, they have my man number in her phone. Me they pass. Me run out of credit. Me go about my business. And me see her, they come home. One man say, ask her for a call. She have credit on her phone. You know, me and her friends, so she'll give me a call. But she never smart enough. She wasn't that clever for say, you know, say, me kind of deal with her man or me have her man number in my phone, so me not go give her no call. Me go tell her, say, me not have no credit. She wasn't that smart. You know what she do? Jump and give me a call. You see, before me even to put in the last number, me already put in 6 number and above to put in. As me put in the last one, the 7 digit, who for name come up? My man name come up in your woman phone. Listen to me, Steven. I don't like problem. I no want to go war no girl over no man or fight over no man. For me feel like I say I'm insecure or me feel like I'm nobody or no girl better than me. No girl no better than me. I no want to feel insecure, but me love my man and me jealous over him. And it better me ask somebody else when me and them are no friend if you know where I am coming from. I'm seeing name come up in their phone more than me and this girl a friend. Kill me dead. She a date me man. Because I know her dirty lifestyle for a long time. Yes.
Hold on the book. Hold on there. Just give me a
Me know her
minute.
dirty lifestyle for a long time. Me not have to mention about her lifestyle to you. But me know her lifestyle for a long time. I remember saying, no, me and you and she, you know, the three of we are friends, but a few woman, me know her before you come there with her. So me know her. God. Me know she stay, me know she capable of, me know she we do from what she want to do. And she lie. Right now, I don't trust her again. I don't even want her back over me. And anytime she come back over me and come ask me something, I tell her God truth. I not go give her. You better you come yourself. Even if she want it, you come and act like you want it. You better you tell me like I give you. But don't come and say, Brittany, say if you have, because me done with them something there.
Broke.
Oh.
Broke. You know, say, you saying what you say a while ago actually just give me a piece to a puzzle that I was trying to put together. Just yesterday I was in the kitchen, you know, and she come out with her attitude, asked me if food not done cook. And during that period of time, she put down her phone and went downstairs or outside for whatever reason. You know, and I look at thing just say, take up the phone and I see the number. Now, when I call the number, the name is Babe Missy side of the name.
Eh?
Yes, I babes me see. So but when I call the number, the voice sounded so damn familiar.
So she delete my man name out of the phone and put babes alone now.
But hold on there because I'm not 100% sure. See, I saw it going, you know. But when I saw
No,
the
come
number,
on,
babes,
Steven.
hold on, no man, let me tell you. But then I called the number. Brooke, I called the number because I was so curious because I said, I don't know my number this. So I called the number and when the person answered, the person was, hello? Sorry, wrong number.
So who voice your earphone that? Somebody
Somebody
familiar.
voice that sounds familiar, but watch this now, no? Remember, I work in the hotel industry, so I encounter with a lot of customers every single day. So I couldn't have pinpointed the person exactly. But then the person said something very key. That word, one statement, it had me puzzled. When the person said, you know what I mean? And I swear I've heard that, you know what I mean, somewhere before. And Brooke, I have been sleepless last night. I got up this morning, I wanted to even speak to your man Raj. And to find out if I could have connected dots. Or if he knows somebody that has that dialect intellect. But I'm not piecing it together just yet.
Me I go tell you something. This can easily find out. Me no want judge nobody wrongfully. Me like make sure of what I am doing before me mention anything, you know? But kill me dead, me positively sure say she and my man in a something. But me want to make sure first. So guess what? The two we can plan. The two we can plan and set them up and find out if them they're there together. We can know if them are dating one another. Easy. Easy, you know hard.
Brooke, as
You
much I always love to stay.
you can take your woman phone and text the same number. You understand me? I say, listen. Take her phone when she's not available around her phone. Text the same number where you see my babes. And tell the same name where you see with the same number. Say, you want to go out later or tonight. And tell him the number that is somebody where you talk to. You go tell the person
What to wear?
in a text, don't make no call. Because
understand,
he's going to know say a man vice. Just text. You go meet him wherever and we are going to buck up there. So, and me can stay one side in the same vicinity area. You can the one side or the two with the one side and watch them and video them. So that is a big proof.
All right.
And, you know, can text and say, you know, I love you and thanks for everything you do for me. And the last time we go to the hotel, it was nice. I enjoy everything. I really just text something in it.
Brooke, I'm going to do that. I am going to do just that. But hear what? I have to run. I have to go to the people at work.
Hello. Hey, girl. Me there, man. You good?
Yeah, man, you know, from man in there, call me and get a phone.
All right. Me just a come in from Fire Road, girl. Me I go sit down on the veranda and cool out a little bit. Where you there?
Alright, me down on me yard. Me gonna come up there and I'll come and check you. Me ready, man, come up there.
All right, cool. A long time I don't see you. Hurry up and come. Me have bling one figure you.
Alright.
Go on.
I'm free now.
Girl, me there here.
Oh, God. Girl, from man, me they call you. I can't get a phone.
Girl, me head no good right now. Me so glad when you call me, like stress come off from my head because you know say me and tuggy like that. Me did think say Brittany is my friend, but she's not my friend. A friend enemy, then girl it name man taker. They love take people man. You know say girl hide and I day with me man. Me say I win me.
Hold on there.
Where me did I go? Out the road.
Hold on there, bro. Hold on for Brittany. Then the only Brittany me know the little maga foot girl where they with John.
Then I will.
I suppose over there so Brittany live.
Of course, right there so. So she a take me man under my nose. Right under my nose she a take me man. Right over me eye top she catch and take my man.
No,
secretly. And they come to me, come beg me things so I they give her, you know.
Bro, hold on there, cause me they try to process this and me I try to process where they tell me say. You they tell me say Brittany, this a little girl will live over here, say little dry foot maga black girl.
And she live with her man. That make it worse. Love people man too much.
Me I feel laugh because me can't believe where they tell me say. Then you want to tell me say you live here so. And this little girl live this and fear man there with this and girl, you sure say go so?
Are you dry? You don't know them dry eye people there. And ready eye for people man. Guess how me know? A matter of fact, me suspect it from long time, you know, but me never sure. Out the road me they go and see girls stand up right there, so I must be not know where she come from. She come from somewhere and go turn up the me beg her a call. When me a dial in for me man number now in iPhone, my man name come up. Jesus Christ, so one man say.
Wait, hold on, where say they do?
Me they dial my man number. Me did one call my man. But me act like me not have no credit. Cause me want to make certain say she they do it. Cause me go did suspect him. Me never really sure. You understand what me I say?
Hold on there, wait, hold on there, bro. Jesus, God, no, hold on there. Hold on. Me have to take this off of me. Where you say? Me feel this here to me heart and I know me.
Right. The girl, they there with me man. Nothing else can't convince me. I say, you know go so. Me did suspect him, me tell you before, but me never too sure. So me borrow the girl phone. Put in my man number in a hit, so me don't call him on that side, because me never want to talk to my man. Me just suspect something and they try out a thing. And he walk in a work.
You know where you say to him?
No, to me know my man stay with him little Ginal self. I love kind of
Ginal, I know Ginal, you know.
You want me to make me worse approve it? When she not pay me no mind, me a stroll through WhatsApp. Me see the message. When him buy ear game, where they meet up, when he give him the money, and when I tell him thanks for him, love him and he can't do without him. Me girl live with him and you know. Tell me now if me not bust up that girl the face. Talk to her, bro.
Hold on, bro. No, hold on there. Me agree with you, you know. Me I tell you say me agree with you. But you see the little girl there, you need to give her a fair dose. But me need to go med she right now because in a real life you live yes with your man and she live right there so. Because there's no way you can live yes with him and him not have woman cross the road over there so. Especially this little girl. Him no, I don't know class of man me I tell you that it's either or either. You have to go left him, you have to left him. Him have to go, it don't make no sense. Better if he did they would want me now say he right for him give but you know and say you know. But a typical man you know how man stay. You better any day we don't want a girl from way out of port. Some girl wait a 45 minutes or 1 hour away from you.
Think about it too.
And they would in a real life
wicked. But
in a real life man you can't go that man from your bun. You understand? But I how they do it and something. Because if in a real life if me know say me man I give me bun and say me not go recall you may never know him next man where you go pick up and something. But you have to left this a boy. You have to do something to him because him no make no sense. Him no make no sense.
Stick up in, Marty. Marty, stick up in. You know say I true you talk. You know say me think about it, but true me and say me love this little dirty idiot man.
No, you love him but him don't love you. You don't have no form of respect for you.
Right, that's so.
And he better he respect you than love you.
Best believe.
You get what me I say? God see I know because me only thing me that miss out a fix a plate for him.
I feel like
I would have fixed a plate. Once sometime you know say Friday evening and he gone so me gonna have a drink.
You know
as soon as me there yesterday, so when he come in,
right
you see when he come in, me fix a nice plate of food game man. and buy one bottle of rum. You know, say you love Crown Royal and you love white rum. White rum cheaper. You buy you buy one bottle of white rum. And you know, say you plan for him and you pull the rum. Yes, and tip look call me in night and give me it for drink.
Alright, guess what now? You see me now? Me understand what you say as a friend. I mean, no rate me, and you feel hurt for know when me and say, oh, the girl eye dry and for me, man, him worse to have dry eye.
He out harder,
yeah.
he out harder.
And this in this, me right there, so. So me understand what you say, but guess what? So you tell me if you do to him, you know, so me not going to do it though. He just all come and not see me, so. Just all pack up my things.
Well, yes. I mean, I tell her if left so easy.
No, man. No, man. You don't have to tell me if you no left or left. Me know say me I go left.
You need to.
You go do it again. Because if I in a me eye that, look where a girl live and look where me
take
live.
off me here.
Right, that's why a girl live and me live across from you. So, and in the day with him picture. Me figure out a long time, you know, but me just say one call
so
if
we
talk
know,
to you.
I guess, but why me I tell her, it told them take a feed that.
Me know.
Because how much time you there, you cook and sit and she come over here, then him and they sitting there. And in there with him and there's it two of them take you for idiot.
Damn fool in take me for.
It two of them take you for idiot.
Yes, then take me for idiot for real. Me see it, man. So me a feel big idiot.
And me know you know. Me love you from my heart, me I tell you. Bro, me love you from my heart. And me I tell you, say, me not really want to see you go through certain things and sitting. And you see love, me understand say love and love. You see love will get you killed.
Me know.
Love will get you killed. Matter of fact, me shouldn't even tell her if you go do nothing. Me shouldn't even me shouldn't even tell her, but look you know, me know how him turn, you know, and when they decide to leave, you know, me know some things them I go try do, you know, and see, you know. Me know how that the boy that turn, you know, and him I go try do some things, you know.
You forgot to say up on the beach and walk, me just a wait till him gone in the morning. Me not act no way suspicious, man, pack up my things and leave. Me more come and see me, God know. Me not stand up and take this a bullshit here, no more.
You have to stand up on your foot, bro. Me I tell you. You can't, there's no, me not support that. And me your friend, and me I tell you, me know if you have sense or if you not have no sense. Listen, me always hear about them something, but I never know me that live to come see it. And that little girl if you get a lick in her face, because she too presumptuous and enough. But me not telling no lie, me blame it for your man. Where's up, man? Me have to go down my yard, go press this you tell me say. Me can't, me never prepare for you, me never prepare for this. Broke, me I tell you honest truth. You better, brother.
Well, you say, me should have just bust up Britney face, you know. You know that, but you know what me now go do it.
If you get a lick in her face, man, you should have
just allow them girl. You see them kind of man you style
you
woman like that.
A slap.
You know, fight girl for them because they no worth
it's
it.
It's not a matter of fight, but it's the audacity that she have. If you can't take your man and he know, and he coming in
yeah, but at the end of the day, I'm a man me fi blame.
Sure,
and he my problem. So me now bother fight no girl for him because he don't worth it. Me go fight girl for him now he feel like saying big like say yeah. Me go come back.
What nephew over there?
She not over there, no. She not over there, you know. Say she not keep her man alone, just like how she keep me man, so she have other man. You can't take that girl style.
Brooke, don't worry yourself. Listen, you see, look more. Me and you go ride to have a drink. You come here, me and you go ride to have a drink.
Alright, no problem.
When me say, don't worry yourself, man. Everything go. Me I tell us everything good.
Now worry myself, me just
everything good,
you
man.
You with me, though. Nobody mash up his phone.
Here, good man.
Here I know. You see my phone? You give me phone. And you keep it for me. When you shut off it, it's when my man come from work. Me know his style. When they call you for ask if you cook and me not get none. My phone drop in the water and me fling away. Me don't want to think because guess what? Me have a plan for left.
Yeah.
The next day.
So what you know
when
me I tell you? What you know?
Left. I mean, don't want to contact with you.
What you know me I tell him this evening, ready like around 7:30 and come down a corner. Me I come for you.
Yeah, man.
We are go have a drink look more.
Me don't want to suspect you, yeah.
Me I tell you say we are go look more.
Yeah, man. Later we have a drink.
Him not sit there call for drink, daddy.
Yeah, for real.
Remember nobody itching now, man.
You go have a drink, man. One day in a week, you trick him and when he come back, he not see me.
Aye.
Yeah, man. That's why I make sure my phone disappear from now. So you have no contact for me.
In a real life.
And you change my number.
Me girl, you know. No worry, you say. When me say everything do.
Everything
go, man.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Yeah.